Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I remember myself, the great Johnson Keys. God bless you in Jesus' name. So I want to show you a very nice movement. I'll be in the key of F. That always happen on most of our hymns. And if you don't play like this most times, you just discover you don't really sound that hymn type. So let's look at this song. Hail, hail the power of Jesus' name. Yeah, let it just stand for. Okay, so that movement is this one that goes. All right, so I'm going to show you that movement. I'm going to do that in the key of F. So, but if you've not gotten my intermediate piano course, it's a course where you can see the flyer on the screen. It's a course where I taught all those syllables in the over 2 hours video. You get to see, unlike this video, you get to see my fingers, you get to see the MIDI keys, you get to see everything, you get PDFs, and you get MIDI files that shows you everything I play, everything I touch for the whole 2 hours, and you can change the tempo to your own description. So if you want to get a copy, the link to get your copy is in the description of this video, or check the comment section, or you can chat me up on WhatsApp. You can buy from any country. All right, God bless you. Okay, so what's this movement? This movement happens on our 2. So I have a bass line that's going 2, minor 2, that's flat 2, to your 1, then to your 7. So that's what gives that feel. So, but what's happening on the right hand? On the right hand, when we have our 2, we do our major 2 chord also. Major 2 chord. In the case of F, the major 2 chord is G major. But we start with the first inversion of G major, which is B, D, and G. Then we go to C minor, C6, right? Or we say A minor chord, the second inversion also. A minor chord, the second inversion also. So while you are playing that simultaneously with the left hand, so we have a then when you get 1, which is F, you also play back you play back your 2 major, but this time around you are doing the second inversion, which is G major second inversion, which is D, G, and B. Then you just hit that D on the top also as a melody line before you land on the 5 chord on the right hand, then the 7 on the left. So together, if you got that, if you get that together, it goes right, 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 then hit the D, and then to the 5, which is on the 7. So it goes together. Right? Right, so, and the song keeps going like that. So follow me for more. Don't forget to get my course for you to be able to learn most of these things and many more appropriately. And then the course is a one-time payment for life. God bless you. Bye.